Unang-una, kumbaga, dito na talaga yan nakatira. Marami na talaga susunod talaga. Yearly, andito sila nag-stay.
And they're very humongous. They're really huge mammals of the sea when I saw them, because I can only see janitor fish inside the tank.
Yes, they're so big whenever I'm swimming beside them.
Ang Donsol, when I first arrived here, walang kalsada, walang tulay. Ang means of transportation dito, it's either bangka or paglalakad lang.
Kumbaga, itong Donsol na ito, sleeping town din ito dati. Kumbaga, ngayon na discover na siya, na naging tourist spot na siya, kumbaga, medyo umangat na yung kabuhayan dito sa amin.
So I came here at Donsol together with my friends, a vlogger, Mr. Dexter Apollo Rubio, and Mr. Geek, adventurer or Pinoy Geek adventurer from California. And we have also one friend who was actually staying here at BICOL province. But before we head over to diving, we actually had a little orientation from the tourism office about the do's and don'ts of diving with the whale sharks. So after that, we proceeded to the boat. Here at Donsol, you need to really look for the Butandings, because they're actually wild species. That's why you need to find them. So we have a spotter and we have our guide who's actually looking for those Butandings.
Ako pa yung nagtitingan ng Butanding kasi ako pa yung spotter.
Ako naman po yung paddleman. Ang gawa ko po pag ako po yung taga parang para nasa sentro lang po palagi bangkas.
So, ang coordinate namin sa sa spotter, kung saan yung direksyon ng whale shark, o kanan ba o kaliwa, doon.
Once they are actually near our boat, then that's the time that they will tell us to jump over and to go with the Butanding, so we can get a nice view of them. And they're very humongous. They're really huge mammals of the sea, and it mesmerizes my feeling when I saw them, because I can only see janitor fish inside the tank, which is really too small to see. And as a beginner free diver, it's really hard to follow them because they're too fast. Today we saw actually 3 Butandings, and the last one was the biggest. It's really like the size of our boat. It's really too big to handle.
Kahit pa paano, binuksan yung tourism dito sa dito. Nung nakaraang taon nga, ang dami-dami ng whale shark. Ngayon din po, madami.
Experience ako ngayon kahit pandemya, may pumupunta pa rin sa aming mga guests.
Natutuwa ko kasi si Geek, yung kakaiba yung dating niya. Imbis na mas snorkel yung nakalagay sa bibig niya, kumbaga mas yung pang karton character niya. Pinakabawal lang po talaga dito sa amin dating sa interaction yung hahawak po kayo sa Butanding. Oh no!
Palang susunod ka daw.
Hello, my name is Othelyn Kate Deluge.
Ang pangalan ko ay sa Talaga magdamit.
I'm Helmer Kiso.
Ako po si July Adra.
Ako po si Nonantisa.
Ako po si Louie.
Kaya pag wala nakikita ang butanding, malungkot na, hindi pa na-exercise.
Masaya ako dun sa work na yun kasi nag-enjoy na, nakakapagpasaya ka pa ng tao.
Guys, pasakay na kami sa aming bangka para mapuntahan na.
At ako, scripted ang sinasabi ko sa mga guys, yun at yun pa rin. Parang sitting na naisasana, yun pa yung sasabihin ko.
First question, okay.
Alright.
Dito yung mga butanding, hindi makahanap kami guys. Ate Kate, are you ready?
Yeah!
Ang hirap sumisip. Nakakapagod sa buling yung butanding.
Bibigyan po nila, hindi namin po sila mahapon ng buo.
Ang alat nga. So yun, nakuha na namin siya. Galing. Nakakita ng butanding.
At ang mga butanding.
Ayan, so nakita na namin yung mga butanding dito sa Donsol. Nakakita kami na sobrang laki, ang saya dito. So, ayun, enjoy the trip of Donsol.